This channel makes thousands of dollars by focusing on a niche that combines relaxation and cute animals. It's a low-competition niche, meaning that there aren't a lot of creators in this space, so you have a better chance of standing out. Videos in this niche are especially popular on platforms like TikTok, where short, visually appealing clips can quickly go viral. The audience for this content is massive, with people drawn to soothing visuals and the universal appeal of animals. Even better, creating these videos is relatively easy with the help of AI tools, so you won't need advanced skills or expensive equipment. Step 1. Generating ideas with Chat GPT. The first task is to create descriptions or prompts that will help bring your ideas to life. Using Chat GPT, you can brainstorm prompt ideas that accurately describe the scenes you want to create. For example, I asked Chat GPT to generate a prompt describing a cute animal playing in water. Chat GPT responded with a detailed description, which I could use directly in Leonardo AI to create images. After getting the basic prompt, I worked with Chat GPT to refine it, adding specific details like lighting, background elements, and the type of animal to make the scene more captivating. By using Chat GPT to tailor prompts, you can ensure that the images generated align perfectly with your vision. Having a clear, detailed prompt is essential because it improves the quality and relevance of the images produced by AI. Step 2. Creating images in Leonardo AI. Once your prompts are ready, it's time to bring them to life using Leonardo AI. Here's a step-by-step guide. Navigate to Leonardo AI. Log in and find the Image Creation button on the dashboard. Set the parameters, select Leonardo Phoenix as your model, and adjust the aspect ratio to 9:16 for optimal results on social media. Input the prompt. Paste your Chat GPT-generated prompt into the input box. Generate images. Click Generate, and within seconds, Leonardo AI will produce the image based on your prompt. The best part is that with minor tweaks, you can create countless variations of the same concept. For example, if you have an image of a dog playing in a pond, you can easily modify it to feature a cat or sloth. You can also adjust the scene, such as from a forest setting to a beach. By doing this, you'll have an extensive content library to use and repurpose, giving you a month's worth of posts with minimal extra effort. Step 3. Animating images with Kling AI. With your images ready, it's time to add movement to them, making them more dynamic and engaging. Kling AI is ideal for animating still images, transforming them into short videos that feel lively and authentic. Access Kling AI. Open Kling AI and select the AI video feature. Upload the image. Choose the animal image you created in Leonardo AI. Use the same prompt. Paste the prompt you used to generate the image back into Kling AI. Generate animation. Click Generate, and Kling AI will bring your image to life with realistic animation. Kling AI allows you to adjust the video duration to fit TikTok's short format. You can even extend the length without losing quality, which is unique to Kling AI compared to other tools. This feature is great for keeping viewers engaged longer, which can lead to better visibility on social media algorithms. Step 4. Adding sound and music in CapCut. With the animation ready, adding sound effects and background music is essential to create an immersive experience. For this step, CapCut provides the tools you need. Place clips on timeline. Start by importing your animated clips and placing them on the timeline. Set aspect ratio. Set the video's aspect ratio to 9:6, the preferred TikTok format. Add sound effects. Choose animal sounds or ambient nature sounds to make the video feel realistic. Background music. Add relaxing music to enhance the viewing experience. Lower the volume slightly so that the sound effects stand out, giving a balanced audio experience. Apply transitions. For smoother flow, apply a blur transition effect between clips, making the video more visually appealing. This combination of animation, sound effects, and music captures viewers' attention and keeps them watching, which is essential for TikTok's algorithm to recognize and promote your content. Step 5. Exploring monetization methods. This channel doesn't just rely on TikTok's creator fund, it has multiple streams of income that boost its earnings significantly. Here are the 6 main ways. TikTok Creativity Program. This program rewards content creators based on video performance, paying per view. However, it's not the primary income source for this channel. Donations. The channel accepts donations, which provides fans a way to support them directly. Merchandise. They sell custom magnets featuring cute animals, a unique way to engage viewers and create a recurring revenue stream. Etsy store. Through an Etsy shop, the channel offers additional animal-related merchandise, such as art prints or home decor items. Redbubble store. This platform is used to sell t-shirts and other items featuring images generated from the channel's AI content. Amazon coloring books. The channel also sells animal-themed coloring books on Amazon, which can appeal to both kids and adults who enjoy relaxing activities. By diversifying income streams, this channel maximizes its earning potential. When you're creating similar content, consider including links to your own stores, donation platforms, or merchandise options to monetize in multiple ways. Step 6. Finalizing and publishing the video. With all elements complete, you're ready to publish your video. Here's the process. Export the video. In CapCut, export the final video in high quality. Optimize for TikTok. Make sure to use relevant hashtags, a catchy title, and a captivating thumbnail. Engage with viewers. After posting, engage with viewers in the comments section. Responding to comments can increase your engagement rate, which helps boost your visibility on TikTok. By following these steps, you'll be able to create a successful income-generating channel with minimal effort. The key is to use AI tools like Chat GPT, Leonardo AI, and Kling AI to streamline the creation process and focus on high engagement content. And don't forget to diversify your income streams, like this channel has, to maximize your earnings. Now let's watch a final video example to see the whole process in action. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.